Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about what I've been selling lately. These are going to be my sales for the past few days. I haven't really sold a whole lot on eBay. Probably sold $40 the past couple days. It's not great at all. I also haven't been listing very much either. So a lot of my items keep getting relisted and then I drop the price. So a lot of my stuff is getting lower priced, so whenever it sells, the sales numbers don't look that great. So I'll just kind of tell you what I've sold. The first item was absolutely terrible sale. So it was a blank VHS tape. It was one that I bought to sell on Amazon, and then once I looked it up again, I could only make like 50 cents or something on it. So I decided to list it on eBay. I had it listed for months, probably for like 6 months, and finally sold for like $2. $2 plus like $2.50 shipping. So I'll probably get, after fees, like $1.25 maybe. And I bet I paid 50 cents for it, so I'm not gonna make like anything on it less than $1. That's really it. Talked about that one. I don't want to talk about that one anymore. The next one was this test that I had been doing. So we have a local store around me called Kroger, and they do this thing every so often where you get fuel points. Well, year-round they have fuel points, and for gift cards you get 2 times the points normally. So for every $100 you spend on gift cards, then you get 20 cents off a gallon. So for every 100 points, every 100 fuel points, you get 10 cents off. But with gift cards, it's double the points. And then every so often they have 4 times the points. And this is where I wanted to do a test. So I bought a few phone, like minute plans, like on the cards. And with those, I got 4 times the points, and they were $30 a piece. So I got roughly like 12 cents off a gallon or something like that for each one I bought. So for my car, that would be like $2 off of a tank. So really I paid like $28 for it. Well, I just sold, I tried to sell them on Amazon, they did not sell on Amazon. And then I ended up selling one on eBay for $31. So I probably lost a little bit of money, but I still have 2 left. So I'm trying to sell all these. Hopefully they sell pretty quickly after this. But I only lost a little bit. I'm just glad to kind of get that money back so I can put it in a different item. Then my last sale, which I thought was pretty good, I actually sold a cassette tape for $7. I was pretty happy with it. It was a Michael Jackson Thriller cassette tape. I bought this back in the summer, and I just finally got it listed. I bought a whole box of cassettes for like $2 or $3, and I listed pretty much all of them the other day, and I already sold one for $7, so I was pretty happy about it. I paid for the whole thing. That's really all I sold so far. Recently I've gone to Goodwill and picked up some My Little Pony stuff, so I'm listing that stuff. I'm listing everything individually. for those. They're all Generation 3 My Little Ponies. So that's really it. That's really my sales for the past couple days. Hopefully it picks up, but that's about it right now. I'm still selling quite a bit on Amazon. I've sold some books. Actually sold 2 Hot Wheels yesterday. One of them was for around $12. One was for around $7. So I was pretty happy about those as well. Probably after fees I'll get, I'll probably say $3 plus 6 maybe. So maybe $10 after fees. $5 a piece. That's pretty good. Considering I paid like 60 cents a piece. I really need to get all those listed. I still have all those Hot Wheels. That's about it. I'll probably talk about that later in a different video, but that's going to be it for right now, and I'll see everybody next time.